Choosing a niche is the first step in building a successful Instagram brand. Identify a specific area that you are passionate about and that has a potential audience. This could be anything from fitness, travel, fashion, to technology. Once you have chosen your niche, focus on creating a strong and consistent brand identity. This includes developing a unique visual style, tone of voice, and message that resonates with your target audience. Consistency in your brand identity helps in establishing trust and recognition among your followers. Creating high-quality, engaging content is crucial to capturing and maintaining the attention of your audience. Invest in good photography equipment or hire a professional photographer to ensure your images and videos are of the highest quality. Use editing tools to enhance your content and make it visually appealing. Additionally, focus on storytelling and authenticity in your posts to create a deeper connection with your audience. Engaging content encourages likes, shares, and comments, which can boost your visibility on the platform. Growing your follower base organically requires a strategic approach. Utilize relevant hashtags to increase the discoverability of your posts. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages, and collaborate with other influencers or brands in your niche to reach a wider audience. Consistent posting is also key. Create a content calendar to plan and schedule your posts in advance. This helps in maintaining a regular presence on the platform and keeps your audience engaged. Monetizing your Instagram account can be achieved through various methods. Sponsored posts are a popular option, where brands pay you to promote their products or services. Affiliate marketing is another avenue, where you earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Additionally, you can promote your own products or services, providing value to your audience while generating income. It's important to maintain transparency with your audience about sponsored content to build trust. Developing and selling your own products or services is a great way to leverage your engaged Instagram audience. This could be anything from digital products like ebooks and online courses to physical products like merchandise. Use Instagram to showcase your offerings, share testimonials, and provide exclusive discounts to your followers. Engaging with your audience through polls and Q&A sessions can also provide valuable insights into their needs and preferences. Leveraging Instagram's features like Reels, IGTV, and Stories can significantly enhance your reach and engagement. Reels allow you to create short, entertaining videos that can go viral and attract new followers. IGTV is ideal for longer-form content, such as tutorials or interviews, providing an opportunity to showcase your expertise. Stories offer a more casual way to connect with your audience, sharing behind-the-scenes content, daily updates, and interactive elements like polls and quizzes. Utilizing these features effectively can help you maximize your impact on the platform and grow your brand.